Hi, my name is Bender and I'm the CEO and co-founder of UNYQ. We live in incredible times. Technology has been able to advance rehabilitation of up to 60 million amputees around the world. The main driver of this is computation, new materials like carbon fiber. You're talking about AI, that all comes together as a convergence to create this new opportunity for amputees. But there is something missing. A study done by the US military among 220 amputees showed that it's not the walking and not the running that is the main issue that stands between an amputee living a full life or not. It is actually today the body image and depression. And the reason for this is that oftentimes these prosthetic devices are very stale, they're very industrial, and they are certainly not personalized. This is where UNYQ comes in. We have here, together with my team, created an incredible line of prosthetic wears that are both different in terms of design, colors, and extras, giving amputees a true choice. How do we do this? How do we create a truly customized products for amputees? That we do with the help of a smartphone, 3D printing and 3D imaging software that allows us to ship truly individualized products to 30 countries all over the world.